How to set up a business in ADGM. Welcome to Abu Dhabi Global Market or ADGM, a world-class financial center located on Maryah Island, offering endless opportunities for businesses in retail, financial and non-financial sectors. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a multinational corporation, ADGM provides a robust environment to thrive in the UAE's dynamic economy. ADGM is one of the UAE's most promising free zones, especially designed to support financial services, non-financial businesses and retail venture. What sets ADGM apart is its focus on innovation, regulation and arbitration, creating an attractive hub for global businesses. Types of business license in ADGM. ADGM offers three main types of business licenses, each tailored to different sectors. Retail licenses, perfect for businesses inside malls or shops such as salons, grocery stores, stationery shops, gyms, and more. Financial licenses regulated by the Financial Security Regulatory Authority, FSRA. These licenses cater to trust foundations, family offices, and other financial services. Non-financial licenses suitable for IT services, management consultancies, artificial intelligence startups and corporate law firms. Many activities under this category are even subsidized, making it an appealing choice for tech and innovation company. What makes ADGM unique? While ADGM and DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center, are both financial centers, ADGM emphasizes arbitration, a crucial aspect for resolving corporate disputes. Subsidized activities, especially for sectors like artificial intelligence and innovation. Corporate law firms, a prominent area of focus given ADGM's regulatory framework. Additionally, ADGM is known for the trust foundations and family office structures, offering flexibility for managing private wealth and estate planning. Setting up a business in ADGM involves a structural process. Choose your license type. Determine if your business falls under retail, financial or non-financial activities. Approval from FSRA if your business is financial. Ensure compliance with FSRA regulations. Register your business. Submit your application to the ADGM Registration Authority. Office space. Secure a physical location, whether it's a retail shop, office space or a virtual location for non-financial businesses. Compliance and permits. Meet all the regulatory and compliance requirements for your chosen activity. How Maju Management Consultancy can help you. At Maju Management Consultancy, we simplify the process of setting up your business in ADGM. Our services include business licensing, assistance with choosing and obtaining the right license types, regulatory compliance, navigating FSRA requirements and other legal obligations, office solutions, guidance on leasing or purchasing office space within ADGM, subsidized opportunities, identifying activities eligible for subsidies and ensuring your benefits from them. Ongoing support. From corporate bank account setup to tax registration, we provide end-to-end solution. Why choose ADGM? ADGM is more than just a financial free zone. It's a hub for innovation, collaboration and growth, offering a strategic location on Maryah Island. A strong regulatory framework that ensures transparency and trust. Opportunities for businesses across diverse sectors. Whether you are a retail entrepreneur, a financial institution or a tech innovator, ADGM offers the ideal platform to grow your business. Partner with Maju Management Consultancy. Let Maju Management Consultancy be your trusted partner in setting up your business in ADGM. From licensing to compliance, we take off every detail as you can focus on what matters most, your business. Contact us for more information and turn your business vision into a reality. Thank you.